At first glance, this looks like an ordinary 3-bedroom house, but wait until you see some of the most unique features I've seen, like a sunroof, a wine room, and an extension in your primary bedroom, starting at $460,000 just north of Houston, Texas. Come check it out. Now, this community called Audubon is located in Magnolia, Texas. Like I said, about 40 to 30 minutes from Houston, Texas. This home is by Sitterle Homes, becoming one of my favorite builders. Let's step inside and show you why. Now here you have your grand entrance, high ceilings immediately, being super inviting, and off to the left of the house you find your first bedroom here, which can also be converted into a home office if need be. And let's take a look. This will be the closet off to the side. You actually have a courtyard as well, going along with those unique features this home offers. No carpet in these bedrooms either. And moving along, you have your secondary bedroom. This one feels a bit larger. It does have that cozy feel because of the carpet, views to your front. And what makes this one special, apart from the generous size closet for all your clothes there, is that it is an ensuite. So for those older teenagers who want their own privacy, this will be perfect. As well as if you have guests who stay over pretty often, this can be their bedroom, as they will have their privacy, not having to share it with anyone else. Take a look at this tub shower combo, very unique polished tile there. Very nice granite there. Now let's go ahead and check out the other side of the house, where we will see one of the most unique features I've seen, especially at this price point. So this would be your 2-car garage there. And here you can already see you have your wine room. Now, what could you use this for if you don't drink wine? You could use this as a display cabinet, a library to hold your books, or as it's intended to be used, a wine room for all those collectors out there. Now, moving along past that, you have your laundry room, which for added convenience, you're gonna have a built-in sink. You could use this to wash your dirty boots from work, or if you have smaller pets, you can also bathe them here if you don't want to use your primary bathroom or kitchen sink. You also have this doll tile backsplash with this very unique pattern, and you'll see that along the kitchen as well. Now moving along, here we have your formal dining room area right next to the courtyard outside. Take a look at this. You can fit a very good size dining table here while still being connected to the kitchen and your great living room there. Now let's not go ahead and skip over the backyard. Through these glass sliding doors, you have your propane gas fireplace there, surrounded by windows so that you're still able to see the inside. You actually have access to your backyard, and it is uncovered, giving it that more open feel, but I can see some people covering it if you prefer to have shade here with the Texas heat. Now let's go ahead and step back inside. And what I really like about the double glass sliding door is that if you're out here cooking, you go ahead and have enough space to comfortably fit all the food out here. You won't be having to squeeze through. Let's go ahead and close this. And moving along, next up is your kitchen. Take a look at this massive quartz island, providing you with plenty of bar stool space there, pendant lighting, an abundance of cabinets there, and you can also display some items here in those top shelves. Take a look at this beautiful doll tile backsplash here, which I mentioned there in the laundry room. You have 2-tone cabinets as well, and off to the side you have your pantry, which would get the job done. You can see here plenty of space, and there you can see you can place your waters in the bottom and shelving space for all your goods there. Now right in front of it you find your beautiful living room, and used to your courtyard so that you can go ahead and see how the kids are doing outside there. Here you have plenty of space to add some custom cabinets on either side of your beautiful gas log fireplace, even some mirrors so that even more natural light is reflected upon here. Now you can imagine watching your favorite team here, creating a lot of memories with your family. And off towards the back, you find your primary bedroom. Take a look at this. Very spacious all on its own there, with a good amount of natural light, enough space for a king-size bed with some nightstands. But let me go ahead and reveal one of the most unique features I've seen, especially for this price point, is an extension. You could use this as a home gym area. If you have a newborn baby, you want to keep him close to keep tabs on him, you can set up their bedroom here. You can convert this into a library, or you can even have a coffee stand here directly in your bedroom. Personally, I would use this as a library for myself. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this primary bathroom, which you can see has an abundance of cabinet space for all the makeup, trimmers, anything you may need here. Definitely have some space for that. If we look above, you have sunlight coming in through that sunroof. Super unique, like I mentioned. And here is your glass stand-up shower. With that marble peel tile all throughout, you're gonna have a retractable hand shower with some shelving there. Giving into that modern feel, you actually have a sitting area as well for those elderly people who may need to take a break while showering. And in the middle is your standalone soaking tub. For those people who like to unwind after long days of work, that will be perfect. And this elegant doll tile backsplash making an appearance again. You get dual sinks for those busy mornings or afternoons where it's an inconvenience to only have one sink. Here, you won't run into that issue because one person can be getting ready here and the other person can be getting ready over there, all while having a built-in vanity for the lady. Here is the private toilet, and at the very end, your spacious walk-in closet with some built-in shelving. You have plenty of space to hang your clothes all around. Let me give you a pan. And even in this section here, you can place a full body mirror to go ahead and check out yourself before you head out and tackle the day. You have space in the middle to add either in some custom cabinets, or for example here, a little sitting area to go ahead and put on your shoes. Now guys, over here, one last thing we have to take a look at is the outdoor patio. So not only do you have a courtyard, but you have an outdoor kitchen here. Take a look at this, fully covered with a shiplap design up top, a second fireplace. This one is also a gas log fireplace. And here you can see a perfect place to set up your outdoor TV for those family nights that you want to host outdoors. Kind of a change in scenery, definitely giving a different feel from being inside. And of course, your outdoor kitchen with this granite counter. You're gonna have a fridge out here, a built-in sink to go ahead and wash your hands, wash your food, and of course, your stainless steel grill here, guys. Take a look at that. And you get all this without sacrificing space, because here you have a more than enough spacious yard for most families here. If you have pets, they'll go ahead and have plenty of space to walk around here. They'll have lots of fun in the courtyard as well, alongside your family and kids. Now tell me you weren't surprised with all the unique features you get at this price point. If you would like to schedule a private tour for this home, you can find my contact here and in the description, where you will find also additional information about the home and the Audubon community with the amenities they have to offer you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.